Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to show you an easy method to create an animated scene in PowerPoint. This technique is simple and effective. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new tips and tricks. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. We will start by setting the background. To give our scene a natural look, go to Insert and click on Pictures. Here I have downloaded the image from Google. Select and insert it. Now let's create a water effect on the ground to enhance the look. For that, go to Home tab, select Curve and drag it like this. Go to Format, choose color using eyedropper from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Animation tab and apply Wave Animation. Go to Effect option, select from top. Increase duration to create a gentle and flowing effect. Next, we will add Horse GIF to bring focal point to our scene. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures and select Horse GIF. Place it where you like on the slide, such as lower right corner, and adjust its size. Now, select Horse. Go to Animation tab. Let's apply line animation from the motion path. Go to Effect option, select from left. Grab the red point and drag to left side. Select Start with Previous and increase duration also. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this horse. Now add tree image and we will send horses from behind the tree so as to get a better view. Now click on Slideshow and that's it. A beautifully animated scene created in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below if there is a specific animation you would like to see next. See you in next video. Thank you.